The Super Speaker Showcase is launched. This is a unique opportunity where speakers, workshop facilitators and trainers connect with their VIPs. Those are the people that actually book them. From 36 talented applicants, our VIP selected 8 experts and 1 MC that they were most excited to hear from. Every finalist was a respected fellow or member of the Professional Speaking Association UK and Ireland. Held at the stunning studio in central Birmingham, the event welcomed 70 attendees for an inspiring morning of insight and storytelling. Each speaker had just 20 minutes to captivate the room, covering topics from AI, pricing strategies, collaboration, and some incredible personal journeys. After an unforgettable showcase, one speaker took home the title and trophy of the first ever Super Speaker. Congratulations to Richard McCann. If you book speakers, trainers, workshop facilitators or MCs, don't miss out. Reserve your VIP seat now for the next Super Speaker Showcase, brought to you by MMP.